I think it's fine. I think. Oh, hello, cat. Hi. What's up? Hello. Okay. Should I close the back door? I'll close the back door. Okay. Give me a second. Ooh, scary noises.
Thank you for coming inside.
Okay. Here we are. Gearbox. I need this gear to not be interfering with the motor. Because the gearbox has got to go up there, because the stuff's got to go down there. So the gears need to be bigger, but okay. Motor mount is there. How much space does that give me? I can't really tell. Can I like plane through it? I don't know. Wait, oh. I do sort of have space. That means I have to realign and copy everything. I guess that's not a huge issue. Because that gear is just a gear. I'm pretty sure I can get rid of it. Do I want the gearbox up there? I don't know. The pillars are gonna have to go up to there. That doesn't leave much space. But it's the most space efficient option. I'm also trying to fit a Hornet in here. I think I'm just gonna have to bigger gears. Alright, let's do that. Which means, what is this? Copy paste. I don't really need that. Oh, if I make you a large diameter, this set screw is gonna interfere. Okay. Maybe I do. Oh god, it's so tight. Maybe I do push all these things back a bit. Oh, clearance. Clearance is good. Clearance is great. Especially if I can get this too. Oh jeez. Where's our position sketch on that? Oh, don't do this to me, don't. Oh wait, sketch it there. Yes, just work with me. Okay. And you must be on a plane. Oh, you're on the motor. Can the motor move at this point in time? What the hell is that? Oh, it's the battery. Okay. So whoa. That's the whole boat. What the hell is that? Position. What if I go to... Oh. Can this move? It moves back here. So, okay. I'm gonna move you back. Translate you back. Quarter inch? Quarter inch is miles. Miles. Okay. And then we're gonna hope that didn't break anything. And we'll go back here. Did that do anything? It appears to have done nothing. Why is that? That's a link of that here. When did this motor get added? Much farther back. I need to record the position somehow. Okay, I don't want to drag those. Is it back a quarter inch? I can't. I can't tell. So 1.15, and then translate this back. And then pin, and then delete that pin. And then we cross our fingers? Now, okay. Now it's 1.4. Please. Oh, it didn't work. Why? I'm assuming it didn't work. I saw it move. 1 point. Whoa. Okay, timeline. Didn't I pin it backwards? Oh, it's... No, I don't want the point, so it still is 1.5 thing. Jeez, I'm fixing things left and right now. What is that position? Is it the battery? Good God. What's this one? Oh, I lost it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, so like, okay. Oh, okay. So delete that pin. I need to roll to here. That's when I captured the position. And then we go here. Why? Oh, I think I got it. We define sketch plan. Okay, then we just have to move it back. That's so annoying. Can we capture the position? And then yes, not visible. Great. Wait, oh, you're just evil. Okay. So we need to go behind the sketch. Weird. Translate. Oh, geez. See, this is why everything takes so long. Everything is just a bit of messing. What's it doing again? I moved it beforehand. We're capturing the position to make a plane on the face. We're going to see where that is. And we'll move to the sketch. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, did I fix it? Oh my goodness, let's go. Alright, let's go back to the beginning. Or the end. Or whatever. Don't move forward. Did it move forward? I don't think it did, because that looks a hell of a lot longer. Wow, a whole quarter. Okay, hold on. We did it! Wow. Save. A whole quarter inch. My goodness gracious. I don't even know if I need these gears here, but I'm gonna keep them in because they look cool. I really don't need them. Do I? I mean, it was initially designed not to have them there. But if they both are gonna have gear reductions, yeah, whatever. They're all sort of here now. Alright, now where do I join these together? There seems to be a combine going on here. Blah, 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 blah. Should I just extend that? I guess so. Let's go here in the timeline. Timeline. Okay. There appears to be nothing here. What am I offsetting here exactly? Whoa. Oh, I see. Is something not visible? Ah, it's not the motor, it's still... Okay. So let's hide this part. And so, offset face. Okay, so that's pulling that back to there. What is it? Oh, I've reduced the size so it'll fit, okay. This is so... Oh, this is what I need. Okay. So let's go before the extrude. And I'm going to move this back to a safe distance. I suppose I want the motor to hit the back of the motor shaft to hit the back of the part before the part hits the face of the motor. Oh, these new ones I printed don't fit. They have a bit of a bulge. Curious. That's mildly concerning because they were printed on the same machine. Oh god, they really just don't fit. That's bad. Oh my god, I gotta put more sheds. Oh, am I allowed to say that? I'm gonna get demonetized, oh no. Not that it matters for this one viewer, probably me. Wait, I have calipers, let's just measure the shaft. It's gonna expand, but I don't have, so it sticks on, but yeah, that seems good. I'll move it there. I'm glad we figured that out. Okay. I suppose I should extrude a circle then if I do want the shaft to stop. It appears that the shaft is, oh, come on, calipers, work with me. About 0.6 inches, so we'll make it 0.61. What's the thing here? This is 0.4, okay. Capture position, 0.21. Oh, but I didn't include that end bit, did I? I didn't. 0.5. 0.11. And then we'll make a sketch. And the sketch will simply be a circle. And then we will go into the future. And edit that feature. Oh, jeez. Okay. There's no reason I did that. Is that the part? Prominent aft one lower. I seem to have miles of room. I don't see why I'm shrinking it. Is it just because I can? Oh, it's to fit the gear. The gear is too small. God, that gear is really small. I don't like how closely they're meshing either. This could be, well, I guess I could print a test piece. Okay. We'll just go with it for now. It's a little bit miserable, really. When do they combine? They combine later, so things are getting messed up. Let's edit this feature. Cancel that profile. We want the whole deal. And we want it to go... Yeah, it seems fairly reasonable. 0.15 for maximum. How much space do we want? That's good. Alright, and then let's move to the future where everything works out. That didn't work out. That's offset. What is this? Position. I'm only guessing. God, I did this one. I should have done this more recently. Target point. The center. Yeah. And then we combine it. Alright, let's roll to the end and just like cross fingers here. Saving. Finished position. Roll to the end. Does it all fix itself? I don't want to go through this all again. It doesn't. Hooray! Oh my goodness. What joy. Alright. Wait, this one came second. They're both included in the position? There should be in a line here somewhere. Edit. Translate. Can we get it to the end of this view, please? Can we get it to the... Can we get it? What is it thinking? What's even happening? I don't know. What is this plane? That's the cutting plane. That's where I split it. Okay, so it's between here. Oh, what's that? Oh. That appears to be the rotation. Revolute. Join with that. Combine. Position. Alright, let's just go back to here. Oh, okay. So our two gears are here to begin with. Scroll to here. They're both put over there. They both line up. Then that happens. Then that, and then that. And then they're joined. Jointed. Okay. Let's just delete that. And move it to here. Okay, let's move it by hand. Oh no. Wait. Is this good? Okay. Can they be moved together? Why weren't they moved together? I guess they can't be, really. Okay. Oh no. I mean, this doesn't actually need to line up perfect. I guess it sort of does. It only needs to line up approximately in here. So let's just edit this and have it be approximate, because I'll be positioning these by hand when I put it on anyway. So it doesn't matter what they look like in here. Oh my goodness, and they lined up. That's great. Okay. Then maybe I'll be able to do something that isn't an angled set screw, and we can all be happy. Oh god. Well, I think I'll have the space, but I think I need to move you backwards. I love editing things I've already done. It's so annoying. Oh, don't crash. Thank you. How's OBS doing? Doing good? Great. Yeah, you. Oh, jeez. Wrong button. Cancel. Not configure. I would like to edit the feature. And I would like to move you back. Oh, I don't know. That's a good amount. You need to be. Undo. I guess I sort of need to do that. Can I just click on you and have you be there? Hey! Did that work? Nope, it didn't. Alright. I need to blow my nose. Give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. Here I am. Okay. Is this? Okay, that's great. Let's find the extrude that made this. Edit feature. We're gonna go out. Well, the proper depth is 0.4 inches. Oh my god, and it just barely gives us that. I suppose 3 point. This is safer. Is that still at a weird angle? I guess it is. Oh my god. Let's change you to be equal distance 0.1. Good. Yeah, let's just delete. Where's the plane? What is this? That comes after? Oh. Yes, go away. And delete everything else. Delete. You got it, you got it. Wait. Yeah. No! CAD close! Yes. Delete. Alright, now everything's fine. Everything's great. Save it. Good. Christ almighty. Oh, jeez. No. I don't. Capture position. Tangent plane. 0 degrees. Press C for... What is that? Is that a... Okay, nope. I lied. No! Wrong plane. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. Wait. Okay, so we have a plan. I want to make a sketch on said plane. Great. And do I want to line it up? I guess I will. No. Yes. I do not want that point. I want the circle so I can make a construction line so that this can be in the center. Not that it really matters. You do not want to be that, and you do not want to be in the middle. I guess you might want to be in the middle. Doesn't really matter. Fine, we'll project that too. Oh my goodness. Work with me here. Is this the worst way to do it? It might be, but that's the way I know. Alright, we're going to extrude that down to that, except that's not going to be enough, so we'll just make it 0.35. And then, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. We'll champ for that, 0.03. And we'll press Control S. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry for your headphones for that. No one's meant to be watching this anyway, but if you made it this far, clearly you're insane. How much time do I have left on my productivity timer? Oh my goodness, it's only been 20 minutes. It feels like it's been forever. Oh, and since this is a copy, it's going to be extra stinking long. Which it doesn't really need to be, but I guess it could be, because, you know, why not? You're not locked. I'm going to lock you. Because I think I'm getting somewhere. Where are you? Motor. Pin. And you shouldn't be able to move. Let's undo drag, because for some reason that doesn't like it. Undo, move, components, translate this thing. That's good. Save. Save. Good. Great. I'm going to go through and devisual, unsee, hide. Hide. That's the word. Hide all the planes I'm not using anymore, because they are annoying. Go away, please. Thank you. God, I have a lot of planes. Oh god. Okay. What was I doing? I was thinking about my thumbnail and title. That's what I was doing for 5 seconds. We need another gear. Should it be that one? It's really not big enough. Should I make a new one of these? That's work, but you know, I have to do work to make it work. So. Oh, that can't be what I... We can always undo that later if it becomes a problem. Anyway, let's make some new gears. Utilities, gear generators, simple double helical, metric. 1.25? I don't know. Yeah, 17 teeth. We want a 20 degrees. Gear height. 12.5? I don't know. I don't know if that module's too big. Wow. It's really thinking about this one. Jesus Christ. I'm suddenly very conscious of my... Why'd you come back? Of my saying Jesus Christ. No, he didn't come back. Not yet. Anywho. Stop doing this. Please. Is this too big? Solid. Free move. Oh, jeez. Yeah, lock in the middle. Thank you. And then, can I do this? And then there? And then... Why do I bother? Why am I bothering? Rotate axis. 90. Enter. Did I do anything? No, I didn't. I typed it in, I swear. You are larger, so those are only 10mm gears. Align. Yes, you. Two. You. Are you interfering with stuff? Oh my goodness, yes you are. Well, you know what's great about that? You don't have to be like that. Can I change this to 1.5? Are you gonna be hitting stuff? You're not. Just barely. Ooh, I gotta get some set screws. I'm gonna change this to the arbitrary measurement number 2. No, I can make it 0.2. I'm gonna make it 0.2. Deal with it. This had 17 teeth. Let's combine capture. Oh geez, I'm gonna have to change all the motor shaft diameter things when I print them. I think I'm also gonna rotate the motors to the side right now, but I can't do that in the model, so I will just pretend that they are and ignore the visual incongruities, inconsistencies. Gonna take a brief sidetrack. Wow, the state of being I suppose that works. Inconsistent, I think, is more appropriate here. It's high UV right now. Good thing I'm inside. Jeez. I need another gear. That's what I need. Utilities, gear, double, blah, 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 blah. 34. Is that going to be too big? Let's find out. Compute! You know what's funny? It's taken me like 40 minutes to get to the state where I was when I started this recording, just with some spacing and dimension changes, which is sort of funny but also kind of sad. I don't know why it takes so long for me to do this. And those, is that the same? Why is this one smaller? Oh geez, this has come back? Okay. And you guys line up. Good. Let's align these. Oh, no. From, lag, click. I suppose that works. That's actually pretty decent, actually. You are up? Which one's up? None of them are up. I thought translate only worked in the axes. Why are you doing this? Have you been rotated? I guess you have. That's annoying! Component design. Yeah! Learning new stuff all the time. Hey. I don't want you intersecting. It seems pretty good. Can I just select the axis as the GUI itself? Is that a circle? I don't trust it. Let's save it and make a sketch and put a hole in it. Oh wait, actually, before I do all of that stuff, I should see if the center is roughly in line with it. Oh! That's promising. Promising enough to keep going. Oh, jeez. I should get rid of that plane, too. Alright, planes. Shaft diameter. I gotta get some aluminum shafts. I don't want the steel ones this high up in the hull. That would blow. That might, dude. I think it might sink the ship, actually. But now that that is a thing, I can rotate this along this axis to align the teeth of the gears and see if they should be moved apart a little more, and it looks like they should. Okay. Yeah, you are too close, too close. Move you up by fraction of an inch. I really want to save that. I like that feature. 0.01, that's a fraction. Have you decided to fit? Oh, your teeth go the wrong way. What the hell? No. Stop. How did I miss that? Oh, they've got to be opposite. Oh my goodness. Can I go back in time and do that? Because I didn't see. Alright, gear simply doesn't exist. Is that, is this gear? Whoops. Let's rotate it along. Okay, so I did 90 degrees this way. And, oh, trippy. Trippy. Oh, let's see if I can do this weirdly. Negative 90. 90. Because they need to be opposite. Now if I go to the future. Did that fix it? They still appear to be going the wrong way. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. Nose blind. You know, the only problem with making a several hour-long video is that I have to render and upload a gigantic file. Which, you know, just doesn't seem worth it. I don't get it. Teeth going same way, which means restarting. Alright, teeth are going. Sorry. Oh, it did. How come they were like so nice before though? Did I just do faces? There we go. That's better. Okay. Now we move these, move them, moving. It's a little far. Let's change that back to 2.5. Seems a bit close. I suppose it could work. And now we make the sketch. And oh, that's just wonderful. Oh! No! Delete. We gotta capture that position, yo. Oh, God. I think it's just like dust or something. I don't know. So fun. This time I brought back some tissues so I can blow my nose. I promise I'm not sick. I mean it. How much time I got left? 6 minutes. Come on, you can return this to a state where you can start the gearbox. Goodness gracious. You know, I never actually explained why I wanted the gearbox. Alright, fusion load. It's so the outer pillows can have differential thrust as well as matching thrust, as well as providing rotation to an air compressor that I'm going to make. Because that's simple. Alright, it's not, but I want to do it. So I got to. Oh, 5 degrees, does it fit? Not really. What was it, 175? 17? 1/6. Nothing's changing. Okay, clearly. Oh, but I've set the sketch up. Oh, but I can change the position. Oh, but that's like a lot of positions. Okay. Undo copy. Undo finish sketch. Undo sketch. So let's translate you up the 0.1 of an inch. And then we'll create the sketch, and then we'll capture the position. Excuse me. Chef Amity, boom. Finish that shit. Sorry, finish that stuff. Move, rotate, yeah, and then axis, yeah. A whopping 5.1. Sorry, I meant 5.1. Sorry, I meant 5.2. 5. Jeebus. That is close. That is fractions of an inch close. For like fractions of fractions. I think the expansion of the plastic is going to do more than that. Can we edit this feature, please? Let's move this up another fraction of an inch. I'm thinking 0.01 again. Timeline. Oh, jeez. Oh, finish position. I never saved that movement. Oh, we were at 5.5 before. Geez, that's quite a bit of space. That's good. We want the space. And they will mesh how they choose to. I should probably add some adjustment in the height of the gearbox, because that would be a good thing to add. How can I do that easily? Maybe it rests on extrusions with set screws inserted into them. That seems like a really tedious and... Ooh, I won't be able to reach it once I put the boat together. I need a way to get the gearbox out. I think I might have to make it screw together. Flood advisory. Where do you think I am? Actually, I don't want to show you guys that. It hasn't rained here in months. Maybe that's why. Oh, that went off. Capturing position. We're going to extrude this through this. And then apparently it's a little longer than that. So we're just going to make it 3. And boom. And we're going to get rid of that plane, which is bothering me. And then we're going to make a sketch that details... Oh, no, never mind. You know, I think I might move this gear. Can we edit this? No. Should I try and edit it? I don't think so. I'm thinking I might want to make the gears bigger so I can move this around. So that this can have more space, because I don't think the pulley really wants to fit. I think we'll just roll with it. This is why it's been taking so. This is why I took like a 3-day break, because I was like, oh, I don't want to do this. My timer, oh, that is 20 seconds. Well, I save it. I think I'll end it on the 20 seconds here, and I'll be back in 15 minutes. All right.